Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya and I talk about digital nomad lifestyle and freelancing. Today I'm going to share my top 5 favorite jobs for beginners to become a digital nomad. To become a digital nomad, the most basic need is to have a remote job which pays you well, which can sustain your lifestyle so that you can work while traveling. I'm going to share if I were to start my digital nomad lifestyle this year, which jobs I would prefer to take up. These are all beginner level jobs, so they don't require technical skills or a lot of expertise. That's why you can start them now, maybe build your skills over the next few weeks or months, and then get started as a digital nomad. So let's get started. Number 5, language teacher. If you know English, if you can communicate well, you can easily become a language teacher. You can teach online and get paid through different websites. You can search for these jobs online and they do not require any skill except from you knowing English and you be able to teach. So go ahead and get started with it. Number 4, social media manager. We all use social media so much, but behind the curtains lies the analytics and the science to actually make it perform well. If you are interested into social media and the power of it, I would highly suggest learning more about it and building a career out of it. Because everything is remote and you can do everything online, it's a great job to pick as a digital nomad. Number 3, customer service representative. This is a wonderful job if you have good communication skills, verbal as well as written. You simply need to learn about the company that you will be working for and the questions that might come from different customers related to their product or services. If you're able to learn and do it, it's one of the easiest and really well paying jobs these days. Number 2, content writer. If you're good at writing and you're able to communicate clearly what you are thinking, then this job could be a great one. This would involve writing blogs, articles, or other types of content material for your clients. You can be a freelancer or you can even work for certain companies. Number 1, my favorite. If I would get started today, I would definitely pick this one up. It's virtual assistant. This job requires meticulous attention to detail. You need to ensure that you are planning everything for the person that you're working for. Typically, they're persons, they could be content creators or they could be entrepreneurs. Do not mix it with being a personal assistant. It's a virtual assistant, which means that all of the online activity that the person would be doing or the company would be doing, you're assisting with all of that. So it's more of an operations job where you have to be good at project management as well as communication. So, which one do you find the most exciting and easy to get started with? Put your favorite in the comments down below. Let me know and I can talk more about it. All the best for starting your journey as a remote worker and then a digital nomad. Share this video with your friends who might be looking for remote jobs and they might find it useful. Bye bye.